on my leg, Your Honor. He just started shaking it violently.
They were trespassing on my property.
Tell me how you got to Miss Anderson's property.
I have an 11-year-old son. One day we were watching a documentary and he saw that there were other kids in our country who go hungry. So he decided to start a charity. I figured, why don't we start right here in our neighborhood? And she's one of my neighbors.
Why would your dogs attack someone?
They were trespassing on my property. My dogs went in protective mode of my home. As you can see on my house, I have a sign that says, beware of dogs.
As a landowner, you've got to make sure that you are attentive to dangers on your property. If that dog has bitten someone or shown aggression, you are dead wrong and you are responsible, however forgiving. If the dog's never been aggressive before, you are not responsible. There is no evidence that these dogs were ever aggressive before this. I find in favor of the defendant, and breaking my heart, that is my final verdict.